Hello children, welcome back to Shri Bhaita Sarsebai Bhuta High School. Children, today we will learn about the second part of the chapter Food We Eat in Science. In our last session, we have studied about the different components of food, which includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Today we will learn more about roughage and water which plays an important role in our diet. We have seen that different nutrients plays different role in our body. Similarly, roughage and water also plays an important role in our diet. Children, some parts of the food that we eat do not get digested completely. The part of the food that cannot be digested by our body is called as roughage. It is important for us as it adds bulk to our food and also allows the waste materials to pass out of our body. Along with the roughage, water also plays an essential part of our diet. It is important for digestion and also an important part of our blood and other body fluids. That is why children, we should drink plenty of water every day so that we can keep ourselves healthy. It's a quiz time. Let us see how many of you can answer this question. The question is very simple related to food. Here comes our question. Select the food item that is rich in carbohydrates. I guess children, you are aware about the answer. So let's see the answer. Yes, you all have guessed the right answer. It's banana, who is rich in carbohydrates in this picture. Children, we have learned about the different nutrients required in our body. But do you know that all the nutrients are required in right amounts? Let's understand about it. Yes, children, our body requires a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amount, along with roughage and water. It is essential for the proper growth and development of our body. Children, do you know that food gets spoiled when it is not stored properly? This also leads to the wastage of food. Eating food that is spoiled is unhealthy and can make us sick. Hence, food should be prevented from getting spoiled. For preventing the food from getting spoiled, there are some methods of preserving food. Let us understand about it. The first method for preserving food is pickling. In this method, the fruits and vegetables are mixed with salt and oil. An example is the pickling of mango and garlic. Let's understand the second method of preserving food. That is drying. In this method, water is removed from the food and then the food is kept in an airtight container. An example is the drying of chilies in the sun. Let us understand the canning and bottling method for the food preservation. In this method, the food is stored in tin cans and glass bottles. Examples of canning is canning of fish and for bottling is bottling of jams. Let's understand another method for preserving food, that is refrigeration. In this method, the food is kept inside the refrigerator at a low temperature, like fruits and vegetables. Deep freezing is also one of the methods for preserving food at very low temperature, like seafood and meat. Children, we have seen that food is necessary for our survival. But you should remember that we should not waste food. By avoiding wastage of food, we can feed a lot of hungry people. Let's understand how you can avoid the wastage of food. You should take small servings of food during meals so that you can finish everything on the plate. You should share your food with friends to avoid the leftover food. Avoid cooking a large quantity of food to avoid wastage. Cook in small proportions. Cooked food should always be covered with a lid. Store cooked food in the refrigerator to avoid spoilage. You should avoid exposure of cut fruits and vegetables to air for a longer period of time. It can spoil it. Children, you have seen that how food is important for our body and life. So children, you should maintain your health, as it is rightly said that health is wealth. It's an activity time. Let's see an interesting activity. For this activity, you need a sliced potato, iodine solution. Take a sliced potato and put iodine solution dropwise on it. You will observe an interesting color change of the sliced potato. You will observe that the sliced potato have turned blue-black, which confirms the presence of starch. Let's quickly revise what we have studied today. We have studied that roughage is an important part of the food that cannot be digested but helps to remove waste materials from our body. We have seen that water carries nutrients from food to different parts of our body. It also helps in digestion and is an essential part of the blood and other body fluids. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients in right amount along with roughage and water. We should not waste food and should follow necessary steps to avoid spoilage. Food must be properly stored by using different preservating methods. We should always keep ourselves healthy by eating good food with proper nutrients. Children, we should always stay healthy by eating right amount of nutrients. I hope children you have understood the importance of food in our life and how nutrients plays an important role in our body. Have a good day.